I, yeah, I really apologize, Ellie, kasi nga, yun pa yung uh, pinag-aralan na namin ngayon, and that price kasi will depend on options, no? So for example, yung San Baffles, kung sasabihin yung isa 900,000, yung isa 2 billion, isa 3 billion, then we have to show all senators and say the pros and cons of it. So for example, yung option na discover ko na hindi nga ni-reveal sa atin lahat during the hearings, maganda at mas mura yung materials. But because iba yung materials, you have to put certain things on the building para maisabit doon. So kung yung materials lang ng San Baffle, mas mura. Pero yung total cost, kasi nga kakabitan mo, mas nagmamahal. Di ba? So there are things like that. And then, yun nga, di ba, medyo dun sa pinakitang 10 billion sa inyo before,